What's up, YouTube? Got another package in today. Well, not today, but earlier today. I'm just sitting on my stick here. Don't know what it is. We're both gonna find out what it is together. Just give me 1 second. I gotta grab a knife. Okay. I have no idea what this is. Hopefully, it's something interesting. Whatever it is, we're gonna find out together. I think I might know what it is, judging from the sound of it. Ah! Yes, I know what this is. This is the pull starter to my bike. I ordered a pull starter for my motor kit for my bicycle. And this is the kit. See? Little pull starter. Comes with this piece right here. And this is the pull starter that I use to start the motor with. Not too bad. Looks like it's some pretty self-explanatory assembly. All aluminum. Got these two things, these tabs right here, which go onto that, so it will rotate like that. Just like that. So instead of pedaling my bicycle and letting the clutch out to start it, I now can use this pull starter to start my bicycle motor up and only use the clutch to engage the drivetrain. So that's the latest and greatest. Yippee do. I will be installing this probably tomorrow. I will try to make a video on how I install it. I have to go to the parts store tomorrow and pick up some RTV to make a gasket for it first. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Tomorrow I might have another package that gets delivered. I'm not 100% sure. We'll see. But until then, that's it. If you like this video, hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. It helps me out. And if there's something that you would like me to make a video on, or if there's something that you would want me to purchase to make a video on, or if there's something you want to ask me, let me know in the comments below, and I will try my best to fulfill them for you guys. I try my best to help help myself, help you guys as best I can to make these videos for you guys and for me. I enjoy it. That's pretty much it. Like I said, if there's anything else that you would like me to make a video on, just let me know in the comments and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Okay? So, on that note, I had a long day today, and my dinner is waiting for me. So, without further ado, I am going to eat and go to bed because I have an early day tomorrow. Alright? That's about it. You guys all take care, be safe, and happy and healthy. Peace and love. Until next time.